happy Valentine's Day. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Juliette, and if you're one of my lovely subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. So I thought I would vlog today, and I thought we'd try and upload it all on one day. So I always say I'm not like one to do Valentine's Day or do this holiday because our anniversary's in March, so me and Matt don't really do Valentine's Day, but I do love a good holiday, as you know. I mean, I've got my heart jumper on, which is a TikTok shop purchase actually. I'll show you this in a minute. And I'm just about to head up to our local shopping centre because I want to pop and see about getting the M&S Valentine's deal, because I saw somebody share it on TikTok today. The chances of everything being left, do like a starter, main and dessert for £25, and I think you get a bot and a drink of your choice. So I'm going to go and have a look anyway. But we also are going to try some pizzas tonight. I've bought like some little pepperoni and mozzarella, and I've bought the 0% fat Greek yogurt, and I'm going to try the like that easy pizza dough. I don't know if anyone's tried it yet, but I thought we could make like little heart-shaped pizzas Valentine's Day for the boys for their dinner. I thought that would be really cute. Obviously I've got all my glassware. I managed to get the heart-shaped tumblers from Home Bargains as well, so I'm so excited to like set up the table for Valentine's Day and just have like a really cute dinner. So yeah, I'll show you outfit of the day, and then we'll go and see what they've got in M&S. Okay, so this is my outfit of the day. I've just got my fake Uggs on, my Fugs as I like to call them, and then this is the jumper I bought from TikTok shop. I bought it in a medium. It is oversized, but I love it so much. I nearly sent this back because it came while I was poorly, and it's obviously Valentine's Day today, and I was like, do I really want to keep this for one day? But I actually really think it's cute. I'd wear this all year round with like some jeans and stuff, so I think I'm going to keep it because it's such good quality. All the let me turn you around. All like the hearts are like, can we see, like all tufted, and it's really thick and soft and just so nice. So yeah, really well made. I think it was around, I want to say I paid around £15 for it, which I think is quite reasonable as well. And then underneath I've got this like jumpsuit on. So I will show you this because I've got an unboxing that I filmed yesterday. No, I've got an unboxing of these that I filmed this morning, so I'll insert that clip now so you can see that. Hi guys, so I have just, I look really brown, I don't know why, my makeup looks really funny. I have just opened and tried on, well, got one on right now, the viral TikTok jumpsuit things. I haven't got a bra on right now, guys. Can we just first of all establish that they've got pads in them? Let me just back you up a sec so you can see. I'm just filming for TikTok as well. Please don't fall over. But look, I need to blow you down. Excuse the mess on the floor behind me. But perfect length. I'm 5'3". Fits perfect length. You can see a little bit of my mum tum because it's got the control panel on the waist. I always wish these would come further down to like sort out this area. However, do you know what? Looks really nice. Really pleased with it. Such thick, good quality material. You will never guess how much this was, guys. £6.50. £6.50. I've just bought these from Primark for a tenner each. I'm debating taking them back because I bought this in black, brown and cream. I'm going to try the other colours on now, so I will show you how I get on. But £6.50, are they even for real? I hope it's still on offer. I will leave a link below. But yeah, love it, absolutely love it. Thinking this with a hoodie over the top. I actually bought a little crop hoodie from Tesco the other day, little pink one. How exciting. Okay, let me try the other colours on. This is the white one, guys. Well, it's white. It says white, but it's cream. Now, it's not something I would usually wear. I wouldn't go out with the kids with this because it's just got "I'm going to get dirty" written all over it. And I wouldn't really go out with a dog in this. But for summer, for like, I reckon you could probably dress this up, you know, with some gold jewellery and a blazer for the summer. We imagine like an orange blazer and gold jewellery. Like, I know it's a bit out there, but I'll do it. I've kept my black underwear on, so you can See how see-through or not see-through it is. It's actually not that bad. I've got a ring light on, which always makes things worse, and you can, I think, see them, but not that bad. Say I've got black underwear, so if you wore like nude or white, I don't think you would see it. Again, it's just this panel. Should we say put it a little bit lower, because it sucks me in here and then my mum tongue goes hello. Doesn't bother me, but you know, we all have things that we're a bit self-conscious of, and my mum tum is mine. So just if you could just put the panels a little bit lower, that'd be much appreciated. But yeah, this is the white / cream one. Hold on, just quickly change my underwear for these. This is like I've got like a beige pair now on, and you cannot see them at all. Ooh. So yeah, definitely not see-through with the right colour underwear on. And this is the brown one. I love all the colours. So happy I got the black, the brown and the cream. Or it's like I say, it says white, but it's not. Well, it's an off-white. This is the brown. I don't know which one I like the most, to be honest. I like them all, but I'm glad I got the vest top version, because they do them with long sleeves, but I think that may just be a little bit too much of a faff to go to the toilet in. But I really like how comfortable they are, and I'm not normally somebody who would wear something like this to the gym, but I actually think I might wear the black one, because I think that with a hoodie over the top would be really nice for the gym, because your trousers won't ride down. It's fully brilliant. Anyway, I'll leave them linked below. £6.50 or something each, I think. £6.53 I think I paid, something like that. Such good quality, so thick, highly recommend. Yeah. And what other colours they do. Just thought I'd show you my roses. Matt bought me some gorgeous roses. Like I say, we don't normally do Valentines, but you know, you must be feeling extra lovey-dovey. So he bought me these, so I thought I'd quickly show you these. And then I thought I'll show you, ignore my kitchen, I need to wash up. I thought I'd show you what I did for the boys. So I actually filmed this. So I'll see if I can insert it now, because I know I filmed it somewhere, but I'm terrible. So I made this for the boys. It's just like a Valentine's jar, but how cute would this be for any occasion and for a gift as well? It probably cost me about £10 to do, I would reckon. The jar was I think these were £5. These were £1 each, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, maybe between 10 and £15. I can't remember exactly, because some of the stuff I already had, but I bought like 2 packs of hearts, a pack of marshmallows, that was £3. These are all pretty much from Home Bargains at Aldi. Got some fake Percy pigs. They're actually Leo lions from Aldi. And then I got some of these, like, we call them cables, but some people call them pencils. They're like the licorice, strawberry flavoured licorice. And I just cut those up, and then I just layered them, and I thought it was such a cute little Valentine's gift for the boys, because like I say, just thought it was nice. I always say this, I don't do Valentine's Day, but then I just really wanted to make one of these, because I thought you could do like different themes. You could even do like maybe like a rainbow one for someone's birthday. Yeah, I loved this idea anyway, so I thought I'd share it with you. Okay, so I'm back from M&S, and I feel really disheartened that I've got nothing to show you from in there, because there was stuff in there. Kids are laughing. There was stuff in there, but it wasn't very good. I mean, I think there'd have been the full range in there, it would have been okay, but there wasn't what I wanted. So there was only like the pork ones left, and I kind of wanted either the the beef Wellington, or I wanted the lamb shanks, and they didn't have either of those. And then the desserts, I wanted the lemon cheesecake, and they didn't have those. So I was like, oh. And then the alcohol, you could only have Prosecco, which I'm not a massive fan of. So instead, I went to Aldi, and I bought some more things to do the pizzas that we're going to do tonight. So I've got a roast chicken in the oven right now, like the roast in a bag chicken. And then I just got some white wine, which was like £3.50. And then, so the chicken was £4.99, and we're making all the pizza and everything. So actually, it's way cheaper to be doing what I'm doing. And I'm just going to do some like little brownies or some mug cakes for dessert or something for the boys, since there's some baking and stuff anyway. So that is the plan. While I'm here, I'll just show you a couple of things that I bought from Home Bargains, actually, because it's not enough to do a haul. So I'll just show you, because I went in there the other day and just got 2 things which I wanted. So I'll show you. I'm going to turn you around because it's going to be easier to show you on the easier to show you on the shelf. Hold on. I bought that little wooden bunny here. He is so cute. I know it's not Easter yet, and I know Valentine's Day is not like even out the way yet, but I love him for all year round. He was £1.99. He's wood. He's got like a distressed look. But yeah, I thought it was so cute for £1.99. So he's going to live up there. And then secondly, I bought, please ignore my house because it's just a mess everywhere, look. And then I also got this. So I'm still undecided when I'm going to keep this or not. It was £4.99. It's basically like a hurricane vase, but it's for a candle, so it's wooden. But it is glass to the bottom, so you could use it as a normal vase, I suppose. I just really liked the wood on the bottom. Obviously, we've got a lot of wood. This sideboard still needs to be varnished, to be honest, that Matt built. But I thought, you know me, I really like glass, wood, anything like that. So I picked that up. It was £4.99, which is so good, isn't it, really? I mean, even somewhere like Sainsbury's, you'd pay like £12.99 for that, I reckon. So £4.99. I think it's lovely. So yeah, I picked that up. Also need to go and get another one of these. I love these little crackle wicks. I love them so much. And it's a lovely smell, this is. So nice. Yeah, I'm going to light that in a minute. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you those couple of things that I got. I'm going to go and make the pizzas now. I'm just going to get the recipe up, but it's really, really easy. I'll show you what we're going to use to do them. But all I did was it's just flour. And then I got this Greek style fat-free yogurt. This was like £1.99 for this massive tub, size of my head. It's a kilo in there. So yeah, I got that. In fact, tell you what we could make for dessert. We could make some little Nutella hearts or something, because I've got some puff pastry left. Bish bash bosh. Oh, it's not shutting properly, is it? So yeah. Just waiting for my chicken to cook, and then once my chicken's cooked, I will make the pizza. There we go. We're gonna make a pizza. So we need a bowl, fat-free yogurt, self-raising flour, salt, mixed herbs, garlic powder, and then what do you want on yours?
Pineapple.
Pineapple. I think you've got some pineapple open. We've got pineapple, just checking it. We need cheese, don't we?
Yeah. Hi guys.
Samson, you're on my toes. Okay, so we've got cheese, pineapple. So I've got pepperoni. Need tomato puree, or do you want barbecue sauce on yours?
I want what you're having.
Well, you can either have tomato puree, which is like what's on normal pizza. Okay, so I've got everything to make the pizza. And some toppings. I'm putting gloves on because I've got nails and I don't want to get the dough in my nails. So we need to. Want to sit around there?
Yeah. Can I, like, you know, mix the dough together? Can I make...
So let's sort it out first. We need. Should we do everyone's individually so that we can. Everyone can do their own. So we need 75 grams of flour. So We use Greek yoghurt, so we've got all our flour with our herbs in the bowl. Lucas has already given up. Oh no, he's back. Right, okay. Then we're going to use 100 grams of this. Okay. So keep putting it in until we see 100 on the scale. So I don't move this round. So 0? Okay.
Yeah.
Come on then, keep putting it in until you see 100.
What happens if it goes?
It's okay. Doesn't. There we go. Right.
We've got.
It's alright. Now what we'll do. Start mixing it. Mix, mix, mix.
Until it goes like this.
Keep going, yeah, because.
Oh, do you just put water in?
No, we don't need to. I don't think. I think I might need to put a bit more flour in. No. To roll it out, I'm going to make it into a heart shape. Yeah.
Yeah. It feels jiggly.
Okay. Okay, so we're starting on Lucas's. We're just going to do now. I've got some grated mozzarella, and we're going to do like a cheesy crust.
Yeah.
Oh,
So, down.
you can say hi now, so. So, put some cheese around
And
the
then you roll it
outside.
up.
Yeah, so we're going to do. I did. Quite nice.
Just making it hot.
Okay, so we've got a decent heart shape there, haven't we?
Yeah, that's not hot.
And then tomato or barbecue?
Tomato!
Tomato, that's better. Tomato puree. Right, so we're going to put some, does it look like a heart shape nice?
Yeah.
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni. I've got a heart shape.
You want to do a heart shape in these?
Yeah? Yeah, it's good. Oh, that's nice.
Lovely. Put any pineapple on it? Oh, it's okay. You
can eat bits.
Okay, mine hasn't gone in yet. This is the best one I've done so far. I've figured out the trick now of how to like transfer from one to the other. This was my first attempt. These are going to be baked. These ones are cooked and look how cute they are. That's Lucas's, the little hot pepperoni's on. And then that's Leo's. How good are they? I'm well impressed. Oh, love them. Okay guys, so I'll leave it here because I've got to clean this up now. It's always such a lovely idea and then the aftermath is just horrendous. So yeah, I'm going to put mine in the oven now, wait for Matt to get home for work, pour myself a glass of wine probably, or do you know, I've been loving Aldi's own orange Fanta stuff. Don't know where the bottle is, but yeah, I might have a glass of that. And yeah, I hope you've had a lovely Valentine's Day or a lovely day, whatever you've decided to do. Thanks for coming and watching. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And I would love for you to subscribe and stick around. My nose is running. And until next time, guys, take care. Bye.